Hello everybody. At the end of the last meeting in Namur, I agreed with Alex that he will send me the silicon chip with 100 sensors as soon as he had functionalized and decorated with different metal the carbon nanotube I deposit. Furthermore, Frederick and Lewis sent me samples of nanotube treated with different metals than those of Alex. Therefore, I have pretty soon quite a lot of sensors to test. I have already received from samples from Alex, and I have forwarded for encapsulation at our site in Tarragona. We are ready to get the great deal of different materials for testing, and we expect to have results as soon as possible. Next few months we will have new metals decorating carbon nanotube and using this as gas sensitive material. I hope to inform you about good new results very soon.